Hello guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be looking at Deriv real quick. So let's look at it before my wife wakes up. So today I have one of the most popular trading platform out there, which is Deriv. So a lot of you must have heard of it, or a lot of you are already using it, because I have a friend who this is his favorite and he has really made a lot of money from this trading platform. So as you can see, it said anyone, anywhere, like anyone, anywhere, anytime. So this trading platform is for anybody and from anywhere at any time. So you can always train, you can always use it. It doesn't matter your location, as long as you're a trader, you can always use it. Now, there has been some questions about this um, platform. Someone said I should review it, and why I like it or if I hate it. Well, actually, I've been using this platform for 5 years now. Yes, for over 5 years, I have been using this platform. If you see, it says since 1999. This means this platform has been in existence since 1999. So if this broker has been in operation since 1999, that means there is something they are doing well, which allow them to be in the business for this long. So for this reason, I think they're good. They are good with whatever they are doing. Let's forget about their words that we are seeing here. As you can see, say they have best trading experience, broker of the year 2014, most trusted broker, best customer service. Yes, I agree with this one. I think they are very good with this customer service of a thing. Yeah, I can attest to this because anytime you send a message within 1 hour or so, they always reply. So I think actually they should be. Hopefully by the end of 25, we're going to see if they're still going to be the best customer care of the year. Now, if you look, you see that they have so much that has been going on. Okay, so let's go down more so that we'll see other things they have. So now in this trading platform, one thing I like it is because there are plenty things that you can trade here. There are plenty things you can trade. There are plenty. So it depends on what you want to trade, whether forex, you can trade it here, or crypto, or indices. Yes, this is my favorite. As you can see, if you're someone that wants to trade maybe with small money, or if you like to trade during the weekends included, forex is not traded in weekend, but with these their derived indices, you can trade within the weekend. As you can see, it says trade 24 24/7. Okay, so on synthetic and derived indices. So this is one of the major reasons why many people like this trading platform. As you can see, they trade 24 hours of the day and 7 days a week. So that's one of their distance. So there are many things you can trade with derive deriv. Okay, you can see stocks, you can see commodities, you can see cryptos, and the rest, many things. Okay, so they have the stock indices. So now I have a friend who has made a whole lot of money from these people, okay, using their platform, and they have never disappointed. Well, in my own review, I think one of the reasons why I like them is their customer care, and for the fact that you can always trade many things, and because of their synthetic indices. And then this is another point. They allow you to copy expert traders. Okay, so this is another point why I love them. This ability for them to allow you to copy expert traders. That is one thing I love them. Okay, so they provide you with this copy trading ability, which not all platform allow. So with this, you can be able to copy some um, professional traders, all right, and make profit while they make profit. So I will drop the link to this thing in the comment section, to this derivative in the comment section or description of this video. If you haven't registered, I will advise you to use the link and start. Okay, so you see 24 hours trading. So now, what are other things that you can find? You can find this automate your trade. This is another thing that is very sweet. This is the ability for them to allow you to automate your trade, where your trade is running 24 hours. So you do it with bots. Okay, so you do it using their trading bots. So they allow you to use bots as well. That is one good thing about Deriv as well. Okay, so that is now any this one is talking about their customer care. So if you look here, you're going to see many reviews. This from Trustpilot. So these reviews, this one said trading with Deriv has been great. It has beautiful low spread and there are options where you can choose the best or stable trading account. Deriv is an easy and smooth trading experience, better than any other platform. Also, the peer-to-peer transaction, I find it revolutionary. Yes, I forgot to mention this peer-to-peer transaction. They also allow peer-to-peer transaction, which is very, very unique to them. All right. So if you are still considering signing up for Deriv, I will advise you to go to the link in the description of this video and sign up, create your account. It's very easy. The deposit is also easy. One good thing about them is that there are many ways you can deposit, whether by crypto, by transfer, by peer-to-peer. There are many ways you can deposit. So if one payment method is not allowed in your country, you can always see different payment method that you can use. Okay, so that is one good thing about the Deriv as well. Now I will try not to make these videos to be too long. So with this, I think you've gotten an overview of the rave, and I think you should consider subscribing, and so that when I make the next video, you can always get such insights. I promise you, the next video is going to be better than this. And then, if you have any other trading platform that you are using or that you want me to go through, please drop them in the comment section. Or if you have any question, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.